Okay, good morning children. How are you doing today? Welcome to our school Sri Vedada Universe School. I am Kamala and this is your English class. So have you tried to read the lesson? Yes children, did you understand the lesson? It was a very big video but the lesson itself is big, that's why. Okay children, today I told you we'll learn what grammar. Now today you are learning something new which you have not learned before in your previous classes also, even in your lower classes like in second standard or first standard. This is something which you are learning new. You have learned what are nouns. You have to learn nouns and verbs. You have to become very familiar children. Whenever you see any word, you must be able to identify which one is the verb, which one is the noun. Noun, you have learned noun. Noun are naming words, means any names. Verbs are action words. The work which you are doing is the verb. And you also have learned the pronouns. Pronouns are the words which we use in the place of the nouns like he, she, they, them, like that. And next you have learned what are the adjectives. What are the adjectives? Before we come to adjectives, let us first say prepositions. You have learned about the prepositions. Prepositions tell the position, means where about the noun, where the position of the noun. It is the preposition. Now adjective, you have learned adjective. What are adjectives? Adjective you have learned are the describing words, means it tells more about the noun. ఒక noun గురించి the boy is taller. You have learned taller than okay, Ajay is taller than Ram or something. So you are telling more. Taller అంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా చెప్తున్నారు దాని గురించి. So that is the which you are more telling about the noun. Noun గురించి ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా చెప్తే that is the adjective. Now you are going to learn the adverb. Adjective, adverb, they are almost the similar. Adjective tells more about the noun. Noun గురించి ఎక్కువగా చెప్తుంది. And adverb tells more about the verb, means the action. How we can say Ajay is writing neatly or the boy is writing neatly. So how is the boy writing? His handwriting is very neat. దాని అర్థం అదే కదా. So writing neat గా ఉంది. Writing is the action word. Neatly is the adverb. We tell more about the verb, then it is called the adverb, means it describes more about the verb. Adjective tells more about the noun and verb tells more about the verb. Sorry, adverb tells more about the verb. Adverb ఏంటి? verb గురించి ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా చెప్తుంది దాని గురించి. Yes. Now here these sentences I have given from your book only, but you can take some examples. Right, the boy is writing neatly. Writing is verb. How is he writing? Neatly. Usually you question the verb with how, where, when you get the answer. What is that you get the adverb. How is the boy writing? Neatly. The sun is shining brightly. Sun ఏమో noun, shining is a verb. Brightly, how is the sun shining? Brightly. So brightly is the adverb, it's not adjective. Adjective, adverb అప్పుడప్పుడు సేమ్ వర్డ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, సేమ్ వర్డ్, బట్ హౌ we are using that word, it will tell whether it's adjective or it is adverb. మనం ఆ సెంటెన్స్ లో చూడాలి. If that word is telling more about the noun, the word is the adjective. If it is telling more about the verb, then it is the adverb. Okay children, so like that, he is running fastly. He is running very fast. How is he running? Fast. He is bowling fast. So how is he bowling? Another oka pani. So it is the verb. How is bowling? Fast. He is walking quickly. Walking is the work. How is he walking? Quickly. He is writing neatly, like that. Usually for adverbs you get ly. Adjectives ki ఎక్కువగా ఏంటి వస్తుంది? లాస్ట్ లో ly వస్తుంది. సో ఈజీగా తెలుస్తుంది whether it's adjective or adverb. But there are many words which don't have ly, but it is adverb also. So first let us see the sentences which I have written on the board. Then we'll read from the book. So what is adverb? Adverbs describe the verb. Means they shall describe అంటే tell about the verb. Verb గురించి ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా చెప్తుంది. We can say I am writing. Okay, the boy is writing అనొచ్చు. But the boy is writing neatly అన్న వెంటనే ఆ రైటింగ్ నీట్గా ఉంది అన్న తెలుస్తుంది మనకి. We know that the handwriting is very neat. So we are telling more about the writing like that. Now let us see the example I have written from your book only. Bunny hopped out of his burrow effortlessly. Effortlessly. Now which is the, what do you think, which is the verb in this sentence? Do you know which is the verb? Bunny is name, so it is noun. Hopped out of his burrow. Burrow kuda oka name. A whole పేరు burrow. Burrow is noun, bunny is noun. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది bunny? Hopped. So hopped is the verb. This is the verb. Hopped out of his burrow. ఎలా hop చేసింది? Effortlessly. So it is telling more. Hop ఎలా hop? How it hopped out? Effortlessly. అంటే ఎక్కువగా, because it lives in the burrow and it knows how to come out. So without any effort, it effortlessly came out from the burrow. So effortlessly. So that is the adverb. This one is the adverb. Because it is telling more about the verb. Verb is hopped and it is telling about the verb, so it is the adverb. Now let us see the next sentence. She suddenly got up from the bed. Now what is the verb? Do you know what is the verb? She another pronoun. Bed is a noun. Now ఏంటయ్యింది? She ఏం చేసింది? Got up. Got up. Got up అంటే లేచింది. So this is the verb. ఎలా లేచింది? How she got up from her bed? Suddenly. ఒక్కసారిగా. She got a bad dream. So suddenly she woke up. So got is a verb. And how she got up? Suddenly. So suddenly is the adverb. How? You question the verb with first verb ఏదో చూసుకోవాలి in the sentence. అప్పుడు verb ని how తో question చేయండి. How she got up? Suddenly. Then you get the answer. Next one, third one. She laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. I told you many times. She laughed out loudly at her weird dream. Now weird, dream. Weird is here adjective. Dream is noun. Dream ఎలా ఉంది? Weird గా ఉంది. Here this is adjective. Now she ఏం చేసింది? Laughed. So verb is what? Laughed. Laughed is the verb. Now question the verb with how. How she laughed? Loudly. How she laughed? Loudly. So loudly is the adverb. Yes, I hope all of you understood. It's a bit confusion between the adjective and adverb. Only thing you have to remember is adjective tells about the noun. Adverb tells about the verb. That is the only thing which you have to remember. That's the rule which you have to remember. Okay, children? And one more thing, it's easy to identify. See, effortlessly ly వచ్చింది. Suddenly ly. Loudly ly. So for most of the brightly, neatly, so most of the words you get ly. But it is not that, not all, but most of the words you get ly adverbs. Okay, children? Now open your course book. Open page number 8. Page number 8. Here first speaking skills. Here they gave one speaking skills. What is that? Share a dream of yours which you think was the most interesting with your friends. You get dreams or not? Do you get dreams? Yes, everyone get dreams. So they ask you to share any dream which you found very interesting, like Alice. If you got some dream like Alice, some weird dream or good dream or anything to share with your friends. Now see here. These sentences only I wrote here. Here they have given with the pictures. Let us read this one. Let us read this page for today. Okay. And next page also for today. Okay, not next page. Today we will read only these two pages. Now let us see. All of you open page number 8. Now let us see what is given in the first picture. You can see Bunny coming out from the hole. So Bunny hopped out of his burrow effortlessly and said, I will be late. Now the blue color word is the verb and the red color word is the adverb. Next picture. She suddenly got up from the bed. Suddenly is the adverb. Got is the verb. She suddenly got up from the bed. Now the third picture. The third picture. She laughed out loudly at her weird dream. Laughed is the verb and loudly is the adverb. The blue colors are the verbs. And I told you adverb tells more about the verb. So they are given the verb and the adverb. Loudly is the adverb. Now let us see what is in the next page. They have given some more and they are explaining how you have to find out the adverb. Now first they have given adjectives describe nouns whereas adverbs describe the verbs. I explained you know. Now let us see the first picture. The first picture again, how did Bunny hop? I told you no, how did Bunny hop? Effortlessly. So in the first sentence the word effortlessly is describing the verb hop. How did, I told you, you have to question with how. How did Bunny hop? Effortlessly. So effortlessly is an adverb. Usually how, when, where. You have to question the verb with how, when, where. Then you get the adverb. Verb ఏదో తెలుస్తుంది కదా ఒక సెంటెన్స్ లో verb ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం వచ్చింది లేదా. Now if you know the verb you question the verb with how or when or where. Then you get the answer. ఏ answer వస్తుందో that is the adverb. That's what they are saying here. Now let us see the second picture. How did Alice get up? How did she get up? Suddenly. So suddenly is the adverb. Now in the third picture. How did Alice laugh? Loudly. So loudly is the adjective. So here they have given many adverbs that we use regularly and with ly. Particularly those that are used to express how an action is performed. Usually when we are talking about how the action is performed, then the adverb will end with ly. Here down they have given more adverbs. Let us see what are those adverbs. Perfectly. Perfectly. Second one, happily. Softly. Hungrily. He ate his food very hungrily. Means బాగా ఆకలి వేసిన అలా తినేసాడు ఫాస్ట్ గా. ఈట్ ఇస్ verb. Hungrily. Badly. He is writing very badly. అంటే writing bad గా. Proudly. Correctly. Practically. Boldly. Carefully. All these are the adverbs. Some more adverbs. If you learn these words, you have to learn. అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది ఆ వర్డ్ చూసిన వెంటనే ఓకే దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ అన్ adverb అని. Now turn the page. Let us do this page also. Here there are some more words which do not have ly but they are adverbs. They have given those words. Let us read that one also. Fast. Fast can be adjective also. రెండు అవుతాయి. Fast, never, less, very, most, often, often or often, more, well, now, far, ఇందులో చాలా far most, these are most you have learned, much more most. They are also adjectives and they are also in next lesson you will learn that one. Same word is adjective and same word is adverb also. Okay, so these are some words which don't have ly but they are adverbs. Now let us see how they have used in the sentence. The boy ran fast. How the boy ran? Fast. Ran is verb. How the boy ran? Fast. Next one. The sun can never set in the east. What is the verb? First verb ఏంటో చూసుకోండి. Set. Setting. వెళ్ళడం అన్నమాట. Now set. So now you have to question with, can you question how the sun set? అంటే రాదు. So when, can, ఇక్కడ how means never, it can never set. Next one, the cost of the book in this shop is less than that of other shops. How is the cost of the book? Here cost is the verb. How is the cost of the book? Less. Here less. The dog bit very hard. How did the dog bit? Very hard. So very is the adverb. She comes first most of the times. How she comes? First. So first. How she comes? Most. Most of the, how she comes? First. But when? Here we are questioning with when. When she comes? Most of the times. Here we are questioning it when, because comes is the verb. When she comes? First, most of the times. We often go to the park on Sundays. ఇక్కడ కూడా when తో question చేయాలి. When you go to the park, we means no, here it is how only. How you go to the park means how, means often. Often అంటే తరచుగా పార్క్కి వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం, అంటే ఎక్కువగా వెళ్తూ ఉంటే often అంటాం. You should exercise more. Here exercise is the verb. How should you exercise? More. So more is the adverb. It has started raining now. Raining. ఇక్కడ rain అంటే noun. Raining అంటే it is verb. How it is raining? How కాదు ఇక్కడ. It has started raining now. When has it started raining? Now. Now adverb. They were, now here you have to question with when it is started. Now. So now is the adverb. They were tired as they walked far. Why were they why were they tired? Because they walked very far. So far here is the how they used far. They showed how they used these words. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన words ని ఎలా యూజ్ చేశారు sentence లో they showed. So okay children, that is about adverbs. In our next class we'll read this passage and see what is given here. So today homework, you write these sentences and these sentences which I given here. 1, 2, 3 these ones and page 10 this one also. Learn and write sentences from page 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Page sentences, write and learn what are adverbs, children. You have many exercises on these adverbs. Okay. So that's for today. Tomorrow see what we will read, what is that passage. Okay children. Bye.